Hi, I'm Avinasha BK, Government First Grade College, Udayapura, first year MCOM, second semester. ನಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. Strategic management. What is strategic management? Strategic management is the management of an organization resources to achieve its goals and objectives. Strategic management involves setting objective analysis to competitive environment, analyzing the internal organization, evaluating strategies, and ensuring that management rolls out of the strategic across the organization. Key takeaways: companies, universities, non-profits, and other organizations can use strategic management as a way to make goals and meet objectives. And then second point, flexible companies may find it is easier to make changes to their structure and plans, while flexible companies may chafe at a changing environment. And third one, a strategic manager may oversee strategic management plans and devise way for organization to meet their benchmark goals. Understanding the strategic management. Strategic management is divided into several school of thoughts. A prescriptive approaches to strategic management outlines how strategic should be developed, while a descriptive approaches focuses how strategic should be put into practice. These schools differ as a whether strategic development through an iterative process in which all threats and opportunities are accounted for, or more like general guiding principle to be applied. Business culture: the skills and competence of employees and organizational structure are all important factors that influence how an organization can achieve its stated objectives. Influence companies may find it difficult to success and changing business environment, creating there between the development of strategies, their implementation can be difficult for manager to determine whether objectives has been effectively met. While an organizational support management is ultimately responsible, its the strategy themselves are often spoken by action in ideas lower level managers and employees. An organization may have several employees devoted to strategy rather than rely solely on the chief executive of CEO for guidance. Because of this reality, organizational leaders focus on learning and strategies and examine an environment large. The collective knowledge is then used to develop future strategies and to guide the behavior of employees to ensure that the entire organization is moving forward. For this reason, effective strategic management requires both an inward and outward perspective. Important: strategic management extends to internal and external communication practices as well as to tracking, which ensures that the company meets goals as defined in its strategic management plan. And then special considerations in the strategic management. Let's see. Helping their company finds way to be more competitive is the purpose of strategic management. To that end, putting strategic management plans into the practice is the most important aspects of the planning itself. Plans in practices involve identifying benchmarks, realizing resources, financial and human, and putting leadership resources into place of overs the creation, sales, and employment of products and services.